Chapter 4 Profiles. In this module, you will learn about the Profiles option of the MT4 platform. A profile is a group of charts that you saved with some predefined settings in a particular order, and you may want to have them retrieved with the same settings at a later time. The Profiles tab can be found inside the Files tab on the main toolbar menu. MT4 has 5 profile options: Default, British Pound, Euro, Market Overview and Swiss franc. You can set a different profile at any time, but remember that once you have done so, the active profile will be overwritten and any changes will take permanent effect. You may also want to save an active profile. You can do this by going to File and then Profiles and Save As, and so you will be able to use the same profile again and at any time. If you want to retrieve a previously deleted chart, simply click File and then Open Deleted from the drop-down menu. In the new drop-down menu, you will see every previously deleted chart. By clicking the first option, the selected chart will be retrieved to its original location. Thank you for watching.